Welcome to Session 16, Linear Equations, Graphs, Intercepts, and Line Relationships. A linear equation is a compact model of a constant rate and a starting value. Graphs, tables, points, and equations are different representations of the same relationship, and translating among them is a core mathematical literacy skill. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Interpret slope and y-intercept in y equal mx plus b. Graph a line from an equation and test points. Write linear equations from points, slope, or context. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, slope-intercept form separates rate of change from starting value. Intercepts occur where one coordinate equals 0. Parallel and perpendicular lines have predictable slope relationships. Worked. Example 1. For y equals negative 2x plus 6, the y-intercept is 0, 6. To find the x-intercept, set y to 0. Negative 2x plus 6 equals 0, so x equals 3. The intercept is 3, 0. Check. Both ordered pairs satisfy the original equation. Worked example 2. The lines y equals 3x minus 2 and y equals 3x plus 5 have the same slope but different intercepts. They are parallel and never intersect. Check. Equal rise over run patterns preserve constant separation. Worked example 3. Slopes 2/3 and negative 3/2 are negative reciprocals. Their product is negative 1, so non-vertical lines with these slopes are perpendicular. Check. One line rises gently while the other falls steeply at a right angle. Watch for this common error, calling lines parallel just because their intercepts match. Correction. Parallel non-vertical lines require equal slopes and different intercepts. Use this routine. Name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Connect rate and start value, build or read the equation, generate points, and verify the graph and intercepts algebraically. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.